I actually got this dresser for my two girls since they share a room. I did a lot of research online before I purchased it because I wanted something that would fit my budget but still be a really good option for them. One of my biggest concerns was whether the drawers would be deep enough, and I'm happy to say they are. Now, when it came to putting it together, I thought it would be a headache, but it was honestly one of the easiest pieces of furniture I've ever assembled. The dresser is a great size for children's rooms. It's short, it's sturdy, and it has 6 drawers, which makes it perfect for sharing, so my girls each take a side. The drawers are surprisingly spacious, which is such a bonus when you're trying to organize kids' clothes. I also love the white surface on top because it gives you room for extra storage, baskets, decor, or even to fold clothes. The material feels really durable. So far, there's been no scratches, which is impressive with kids running around. The handles are quite solid. The drawers glide smoothly, and the whole dresser feels strong once it's in place. So it even comes with hardware to secure it to the wall for extra safety, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. Overall, this dresser checked all my boxes. It's affordable, practical, sturdy, a very great quality, and it's perfect for kids' rooms. I definitely recommend it.